I awuthi ngiveze celebration. Awuthi ngisuka endleleni. Checker. So this is Mfundo Vilakazi paper 2. Obrigado. Wonder player with Umdu Odai. Why you for me? So these are graduate of Kaizer Chiefs TDC. These are the products that we produce. And by the way, uthi ngikukhawuntele nje amanye ama-graduates akwi-TDC Chiefs. Puso Disejana, Omega Mdaka. Just to name a few graduates of Kaizer Chiefs TDC. There's a number of them. Almost every team has one or two players from TDC Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't even want to get to that. But number one, I want to say this. I think the downfall of Nazaruddin Nabi was not believing in young players. And I made a video ngikhuluma about leyo situation yongakholelwa kubadlali abancane ukuthi I even mentioned ngababhanga bonke nokhazi, but at some point I will have to retract statement sami sokubhanga okhazi kule situation yongakholelwa kubadlali abancane, because they are doing the complete opposite. They believe in young players. Vele Bayo was playing yesterday, Mtutuze was playing, Ngobo has been a regular. He's no longer a young player, by the way, but he's fairly young. Vilakazi is playing. So they are believing in young players. I want to say this. I'm a fan of Kaizer, in as much as they be wrong, but Tina sayazi Kaizer. Siyamazi umdlali esimbonayo ukuthi uzodlalela ibheji. Siyakwazi ukumbona umdlali othanda iKaizer. Yabo, because khona ukudlalela iKaizer nokuthanda iKaizer. You can see Obrigado, i-body language yakhe ngisho enzani ukuthi this boy loves this team. You can see uMduduzi Shabalala mayemisile ichance noma bedliwe. You can tell by the body language. I remember there's a very difficult season, I think last season, where they were criticized a lot by these fake analysts. I remember these boys, every time they score a goal, they would cry. That's how much it meant to them. So I'm very happy about the performance yalabafana, and I'm very happy ukuthi uCedric Kazi Ben Yusuf Khalil are giving these boys a chance. Yabo. We've been crying sicela ukuthi ulentuzana uMfundo Vilakazi akatholi game time. Not ukuthi umfake 8 minutes. You know, musu umfaka 8 minutes, musu umfaka, no, uyapheka lo mfana, uzofika apheke. So mnikeze igame nje ayiqale, umthembe. He's not a young player. When ubona iminyaka, he's not a young player ngokwebhola. Umfundo Vilakazi was playing kuma Phillies games. Ethenjwa ama team kuma Phillies games. Ufike kwi-TDC. By the way, kwi-TDC akadlalanga kakhulu Mfundo Vilakazi. Ufike wadlula nje wahamba waye ku-senior team. Yabo. This is a graduate of ama Phillies games. He was trusted lapha, a winger. Well, umfana ayidonse. I remember ku-December ngibuka ama-Phillies games, ayidonse ayigibele ngathi uma phezu kwayo bese ayidonsa. Akasayenzi lento leyo, yenziwa umdu kakhulu manje leyo nto leyo. Nayizolo uyigibelile kanjalo. So I'm happy about the progress that these boys are making, and ngaphandle kokuphushwa i-media again, baphushwa yithina ama-fans eKaizer, but the media is not pushing them because we must be seen as a dark horse, like I've been saying. So ikhosi libuyile. Ngothi ngasho, I'm scared ukuthi ikhosi liqale likholwe ukuthi lingacompete for i-league, because we know what happens when the big team is starting to believe ukuthi singayiwina le league. By the way, kwanele manje khona i-team efanele ngasayithathi i-league. Yabo. Abo nje ngisupport iKaizer. As a Kaizer Chiefs fan, i-rivalry yami angikhaleli ukuthi iwin i-league. I mean angikhaleli ukuthi iwine namhlanje njengoba iPirates idlala, but a true fan and a technocrat and a purist of the game that I am, if iPirates iwine, because ngifuna i-competition kwi-league. yabo. So now if we have just one team ekuyiKaizer ilwa nelentuzana ngeke kulunge. So we want iPirates to come to the party, we want iKaizer to come to the party. Sadly, Stellenbosch is not doing well this season, but I would have said I want Stellenbosch to come to the party, see competition for the league. This is now competition. I-league shouldn't be decided go first 15 games. Like first 15 games sesiyabona ukuthi no one is catching iSundowns. Sundowns iwine ishiye ngo-10, 11, 18 points. It shouldn't be like that. But ke ikhosi aliphela umoya, amakhosi ajabulile. Niphepheke njalo. Ningadli noma yini, ningahambi nodwa.